Hello, my beauties and my gentlemen. Welcome to my channel, Alicia Suzanne. I am coming today to unbox the Boxycharm December base box. I actually just received this in the mail today, January 2nd. I was kind of understanding like COVID and all of that, but they say on their website that if you don't receive the box 20 days after billing to contact them, which I got billed on December 1st. So I contacted them after the 20th and they really weren't very helpful at all, the customer service of Boxycharm. They were basically just like, it's in the mail, it's in the mail. And I'm like, I know it's in the mail. It actually reached my city. And then for some reason, like 2 or 3 weeks ago, it was in my city and then it got shipped back to across the country, and then it went back and forth in the south for a little bit, and then it finally reached its way to Indiana. But besides opening it just to make it purposes, I have not peeked inside, so I'm super excited. I normally peek inside of my packages, so this is like an actual live shot. Okay. Oh, I see something and I hope it's the one I want. Okay. So, this, like I said, this is the Boxy base $25 box. You get 5 full-size products for $25 a month. And I have variation 28. And the theme this month is bubble and glitz. So that makes sense for the new year. Okay. Peeking at it, I'm kind of excited. So this is what it looks like from the inside. I'll go with the product that I chose first, which is these Glam lashes. And I had been wanting these, and this is the liquid eyeliner that goes with it. So this counts as one item. But I chose these because I have been wanting to try magnetic lashes, and they typically run, I've seen them online for about $20, and the cost of the box is $25. So for me, you know, as long as there's at least one other awesome product in here, I'm going to get the value of my box. But these are the Glamnetic Baby Girl Lashes and Black Liquid Magnetic Liner. Get ready to be spoiled. The Baby Girl is a wispy, round lash that looks natural on the eyes and feels super lightweight. It's made from a high-quality, 100% vegan fiber and comes with a pair of lash anchors that help strengthen and hold and keep them in place. The Glamnetic Magnetic Eyeliner is the magic that holds your favorite Glamnetic lashes in place all day. The innovative formula is highly pigmented, requires minimal waiting time, and provides all-day hold. And I do wonder if these are reusable, but I have been waiting for these to come. I'm going to do a separate video testing these out because I've never actually used false eyelashes ever before. So very excited about these. The next thing I am going to pull out is the Ruby Obsessions Eye Palette by Huda Beauty. And it says each Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette is packed with a selection of 9 highly intense mattes and striking shimmers, all with a smooth and blendable texture. Ruby has 5 duochrome and 4 matte shades in striking scarlet and raspberry tones. And this goes for $27. And the lashes, I forgot to say, are $63 if you just bought them online. So that's a great deal. I'm disappointed. I wanted the purple Huda Beauty shades. This is maybe, I mean, they are nice, and we can go ahead and swatch some of them. I just, ooh, that's pretty. I just have green eyes, and I love purple eyeshadows, and they had a palette that was velvet colors, or violet colors, not velvet. And so the green is the opposite of purple, so it looks really nice. I don't think that I'll really use this, and maybe I shouldn't have dipped my fingers into it so I could give it away, but I don't really want to look like I have red eyes, like I've been punched in the face, or like I have red eye. Red shades aren't really for me, but I mean, it is a good brand that I've heard of, so to each their own. And then the next thing I'm very, very excited about is this Tarte Man-Eater mascara. It says, warning, maximum compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and lightweight triple black formula. And this goes for $23. I was really, really hoping for this, and it is cruelty free. I probably wouldn't have put on mascara if I knew that I was going to receive this, so I am going to open it up, if I can get it, and show you the, oh, I opened it on the wrong end. So this is black, and I like Tarte products too, so I'm very excited to try this out. And I just think the packaging is so cute, like Man-Eater and the leopard print. And so, oh, I typically like natural bristles on my mascara, but I am excited to try that. I will definitely give that a try out. So, very cool. I'm very excited. So far, 2 out of 3 products I'm loving. And then the next thing I got is this Luxy Iconic Eye Set. And it's what's your first step in achieving the perfect smoky eye, cut crease, or bold cat eye? The right set of brushes. The Iconic Eye Set has all the brushes that experts use to create flawless eye looks, from natural and simple to bold and colorful, and these go for $45. $45 is quite a bit for 5 eyeshadow brushes. But let's open them up before I put my foot in my mouth. Remember, I'm a school teacher, so I would never spend $45 on a set of brushes, or, so 5 brushes. But it looks like you have perhaps like a blending brush, a packing brush all over, maybe, I don't know, smaller cut crease, I'm not really sure. And then this one, I have been wanting one like this where you can put it on underneath. So I think they're a very pretty color. Very pretty color. They seem pretty smooth. So this is a good bargain as well in the box. And then the last thing is the MAC matte lipstick, and this goes for $19. And so it says, meet MAC lipstick, the iconic product that made MAC famous. This creamy formula features high color payoff and a no shine matte finish. I typically don't like matte lipsticks, but we'll see. It depends on if they're drying. So let's take this off. I just put on lip gloss. And this is the shade Velvet Teddy. All right, well, Teddy Roosevelt is arguably my favorite president. So it's this nice sort of neutral. It would be nice on my skin. It's a little more than neutral. It's not too drying, actually. I like that. I like that. So overall, I think this is an excellent box. I got some brushes. I got a MAC lipstick. I love MAC lipstick. I got a Tarte Man-Eater mascara. My brain is fried. You know, this wasn't a hit for me. I think I could possibly give it to a niece or a friend, or, you know, possibly use some of the gold, but you can't win them all. So I do appreciate like a popular brand coming in the box that I've heard of. And then I am super excited about these that I received, and I will be making a video on just these, so watch out for that. And I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed year. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.